In this video we will talk about 10 healthy green smoothie recipes, green smoothie recipes for weight loss. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. 10 healthy green smoothie recipes. Smoothies are one of the best ways to secure several servings of fruit, vegetables, and even healthy fats in a single meal. They also happen to be incredibly delicious, whether they're tropical and sweet, like A, or a bit more invigorating, like A. 1. Coconut milk smoothie. Consider this healthy smoothie your blueprint. Almost any fruit can be substituted for the frozen blueberries, and you'll still get a delicious drink. This smoothie serves 4, so it's ideal for a family that sips smoothies together. 2. Fresh cranberry and orange smoothie. Tangy, bright, and packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, cranberries deserve a place in the kitchen outside the Thanksgiving table. We like to pop a bag of fresh cranberries in the freezer to keep on hand for healthful liquid breakfasts all winter long. Just toss a few into the blender with almond milk, Greek yogurt and 2 juicy oranges, and give it a whirl. 3. Tangerine, carrot, and turmeric smoothie. Turmeric is a trendy nutritional powerhouse. Studies suggest it may help ward off dementia and cancer. Its gorgeous golden hue will add a welcome bit of sunshine to your winter breakfast landscape, too. When blended with carrots and the season's juiciest tangerines, turmeric has a savory sweet bite that surprises and satisfies. 4. Pumpkin, cashew, and cinnamon smoothie. This decadent and gently spicy seasonal smoothie may taste like pie in a glass, but don't be fooled. Cashew milk, available in most supermarkets, adds some creaminess without the calories of conventional dairy, and the combo of pumpkin and Greek yogurt packs a welcome 1-2 punch of fiber and protein. 5. Creamy mango smoothie. You'll be well understood if you make this tropical-inspired smoothie recipe on a morning when you're deciding between skipping work and heading to a secluded island or actually hopping the train to report for duty. Each sip of this fruit smoothie is a moment of relaxation. What's more, it packs a bit of filling protein because of yogurt, so you can stave off morning hunger pangs before the lunch hour arrives. 6. Raspberry chia smoothie. Chia seeds are little powerhouses of fiber and protein, and a little goes a long way. Just 1 tablespoon is all you need to round out a whopping 10 grams of protein and 15 grams of fiber in this fruit drink. The chia seeds will start to plump if the smoothie sits for too long, so drink up immediately after blending. 7. Carrot pineapple smoothie. The color is as bright as the morning sun, which is certainly a sign that this breakfast smoothie is loaded with vitamins and minerals. The ingredient list is short: pineapple, orange juice, carrot, banana, and a bit of ice, so you can almost make this smoothie without even consulting your recipe book. To make this healthy smoothie even faster, use our favorite make-ahead smoothie trick so you can blend and be out the door in record time. 8. Spinach, grape, and coconut smoothie. Seedless green grapes and coconut milk bring unexpected sweetness to this green drink. Spinach hides beautifully in the other ingredients, so you'll never know this green smoothie is serving up vitamins A, K, and C, and even a good bit of iron, calcium, and folic acid. You could consider this as good as almost any multivitamin, but a lot more delicious. 9. Raspberry and nut smoothie. If you don't have the time or the extra hands to slather a bit of peanut butter and jelly onto bread for a quick and effortless breakfast, you can turn that PB&J into a sippable shake by blending low-fat milk, frozen raspberries, and your favorite nut butter. Nut butters in smoothies add filling protein, healthy fats, and a delicious richness you won't get from fruits and vegetables alone. 10. Creamy date smoothie. Dates may be a bit too sticky to enjoy as snacks, but when blended up with milk and ice, they turn into a sweet sipper with hints of molasses and floral flavor. Soften pitted dates by placing them in milk for 15 minutes, then blend with ice for a sweet on-the-go breakfast. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.